Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm here today to do another quick unboxing with you with Fifine Technology. This is their lavalier mic. Let's go ahead, get this unboxed, and I'm going to do a test comparison between my Rode Video Micro and this lavalier mic. Alright, so opening the box right here, we do have some directions. Let's get right into it. This also does come with a headset mic. I can't see myself ever using this. Maybe if I was doing some voiceover on the computer though, might be helpful. Not going to be walking around with that. Here is the actual lavalier mic, and then the wireless packs in here, and the adapter. We'll need this to convert this down to our 3.5mm jack. So that will just plug right on there. This is the portion that will actually plug into the camera. So this will need to be mounted to the camera to be able to pick up the wireless signal from this piece that I will be wearing. And then in here is the actual lavalier portion. So I'm going to go ahead, just add some batteries to all this stuff. I think it only takes like 2 AAAs in this portion, and in here looks like 2 AA's. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff all set up, and then we'll be back for the mic test. Okay, I have the batteries all installed. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook the microphone up. This only goes in one direction. That just clips in like that. Power button on, you just hold down here. Turns on. We're in 567 megahertz. Then let's turn on the receiver, pull out the antenna, power on, green light goes to red light means it's connected, so this should actually be picking up my sound right now. So I'm going to go ahead and unplug the Rode Video Micro, which I've been recording on, and plug in this receiver and see if we get any sound. Alright, Rode Video Micro is unplugged right now, so that's just the regular audio from the GoPro. The Fifine receiver, so now we should actually be picking up audio from the lavalier mic. So when I hold it a little bit closer, we should get a little bit better sound. Pretty sure these are directional, so you definitely don't want to be pointing it in a direction that's facing away from you. And I'm going to have to go back and review the video right now and see how good this sounds, but normally we'd have this pinned right up here facing the direction that you were talking. Alright, I just went back and reviewed the video real quick, and I do have to say, just on the GoPro listening to it, the Fifine Technology microphone actually sounds a little bit better than the Rode Video Micro. And the reason I think that is because there's a little bit of room noise around here, and the Rode Video Micro is directional, but it's still picking up a lot of the noise that's in this room. This lavalier mic, it's a lot closer to where you're speaking from than the Rode Video Micro. The Rode Video Micro is about 3 feet away from me right now. Also, there's some road noise. That's an interesting test that I'm going to perform next before I release this video. I'm going to take these outside, real world environment, see how the Rode Video Micro does versus the lavalier mic. I have a feeling that the lavalier mic will actually do better just because it is a more directional and closer to where I'm actually speaking from as well. But I'm going to do another quick test real quick. I've been recording on the Rode Video Micro. Let's unplug it again. Okay, this audio that you're hearing right now is just raw out of the GoPro. Now let's go ahead and plug in the lavalier mic. Alright, now we have the Fifine Technology lavalier mic plugged in. How's the sound? I'm going to hold it way far away. Still pointed in my direction right now, but as I bring it closer and closer, you can probably hear it getting a lot clearer. And this is where it would normally be pinned, right here on your collar. Sounds pretty good, I think. Very crisp and clear voice. But yeah, let's take this outside now and see how good these microphones actually are in a real world environment. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.